Hello everyone, welcome back to Sweet Meadow's Kitchen and part 2 of my series of making your own do-it-yourself rose water spritz. And I did see green tea spritz at ULTA Beauty, so I decided to try to make some myself, and I was successful. So this is part 2 of a 2-part series. I do deadhead my roses that are on my property, and I do put them in jars with reverse osmosis water. You could watch the part 1, and I do nothing else but store them in a refrigerator in my garage. And then when I get ready to use the rose water, I pour them in a spray bottle that I get at the grocery store in the trial size section if you're traveling. And I pick up a couple of these spray bottles and I pour the rose water in these spray bottles. Now, the rose water loses its scent. Doesn't have a very fragrant scent to begin with. I use no food coloring. This is natural coloring in the rose water. But what I do add is I add just a couple drops of gardenia oil, and that's it. This is perishable, and I keep these refrigerated. I do use them on hot summer days, and I do give them away to my friends in the area. I have friends that go boating, and they're a nice little gift to give to your friends when they are out and about. It's a nice way of saying thank you for the things that they do for me during my time of need, and I enjoy it, and they enjoy it, and it's special. It's wonderful to have beautiful friends that you could exchange little things like this, and they know that you've put your heart, your time, and your love into the special gift that you have given them, just as they have brought you a meal or they have brought you something that they put their heart and their time and energy into. And that's what's wonderful about this, and I enjoy making these videos to share this with you, these experiences. Anyway, so I just wanted to do a part 2 and show you my rose water and now green tea. And really, these bottles are pretty special. These are a little different from the bottles I got before because they have a locking mechanism. They have a little locking mechanism, and that's kind of neat. And I like the way they spray, and this lifts down and up, locks, and I think these were just a few cents more. That's it, just a few cents more, and they spray really, really good. Okay, I use a funnel, just a small little plastic funnel, and I'm going to go ahead and pour the green tea in this bottle, just like I did the rose water in the other 2 bottles. And then, because there is no fragrance really in green tea or rose water after it's infused, I just put just a drop or 2. Let's see. There you go. Just a drop or 2. And then go ahead and screw it tightly, shake it up, and there you go. There you go, you're all done. You have green tea and Gardenia facial spritz, and you have Rosewater and Gardenia facial spritz, and they do not have any chemicals, and homemade with love. Thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.